Welcome to Picky Assist. In this video, we are going to see how the Picky Assist app can be installed for Android users from Google Play Store. Kindly note that this app may not work for all the phones and also the app may stop working after the battery percentage drops down below 20% for some phones. In these cases, we need to manually enable all the settings again to make the app work. Now, for installing Picky Assist, kindly go to Play Store and search for Picky Assist. And then you need to click on the install button. After the installation is complete, click on the open button. You have to click on continue on the permission tab opened. You can click on the allow button for Picky Assist to access your phone calls, contacts and to make and manage phone calls. Now you will be taken to the login page. Here you can either log in by scanning the QR code from your profile. The steps to log in via QR code is mentioned on the screen. While logging in with your email ID and password, always make sure to put the workspace name which you have created while signing up with Picky Assist. Currently, I am trying to log in with my email ID and password. Now, after logging into your Picky Assist app, the next step you need is to configure the settings of the logged user from the admin panel. For that, you have to log into your Picky Assist admin account and click on More menus, Settings, Channels. And from the channel page, you need to select Phone Bridge and then click on the Phone Bridge settings. Then you will be taken to a page where you need to set up the global settings. Global settings are the main settings and the Picky Assist phone app will work according to the settings enabled here. Always make sure to enable the status button. The phone channel will only work once the status button is enabled. When a user has installed the Picky Assist app, he or she will be shown under the Select Users tab and you need to manually select the user first. The second option is the call tracking option. You will get three options here. The first one will allow you to choose a SIM card from which the call should be tracked. The second will track calls made from both SIM cards in the mobile phone. The third option will be track specific SIM, which will enable the tracking of a specific SIM from your phone. Suppose you have two SIMs, we can select from which SIM the call need to be tracked. Currently, I have selected the user can decide option. Second is the add contact option. By enabling this, all the inbound calls you receive will be directly added as a contact in Picky Assist. The follow-up action, if it is enabled, you will be able to follow with customers by creating tasks for them directly from the mobile app. This can be done for both incoming and outgoing calls. Push events to connector. This will allow you to automate follow-up actions based on specific call events. After configuring all these settings, you have to make sure that you save all the settings here. Now the next tab is the user settings. User settings is basically to review all the settings which we have previously enabled in the global settings, and here we can customize the settings specifically for each user. Make sure that you save the user settings also. After saving all the settings, you have to open the Picky Assist app. The first, you will be taken to the dashboard page. Now kindly go to the top left corner and click on the three lines there. And then click on the settings button. Then you need to check whether the notifications and the sound notifications are enabled or not. Under the phone syncing, under the prefix or country code tab, you need to put 91. And under the phone number length without country code, you need to put 10. You need to enable the ignore prefix for international call and show all incoming notifications should also be enabled. Now we need to configure the SIM which we need to track with the help of Picky Assist app. I am configuring SIM 1 currently to track my calls. Click on the click here to configure written in red color against the SIM which you want to track. Type in the number linked to your SIM card there and click on the configure button. Make sure you are entering the number with 91. Now a dialog page will be opened with the number 111. You need to make a call to 111 with the SIM you want to configure. Currently, in my case, it is SIM1. After making the call, go back to the app and you can click on the save button against the number. Now you can close this tab. Now enable the button against the configured SIM. Now navigate to Quick Actions and make sure all the settings are enabled. Kindly note that in order to enable the follow up button, you need to enable display over other app permissions under the permission settings. You can click on display over the app under the permissions and then search for Picky Assist, and then you need to select always. Now again go back to Picky Assist tab and check whether the battery optimization is disabled. If it is enabled, kindly click on the battery optimization and search for Picky Assist from the all apps, and then you need to select do not optimize and click on done. These are the settings which need to be done after installing the Picky Assist app. Thank you.